Please like and subscribe for more tutorial for beginners. New videos every day.
So in this lesson, we will take care of the header part. So in this header part, you can just add block, which means that you can add this some menus, products, or collection themes. That's not really necessary. Well, basically in our header part, the most actual thing is that you need to change this part, which will be your logo, and here are home, catalog, and these things. Well, these things will remain the same, but I will surely show you every options. So the navigation type means this part, it's in the center. You can, if you want, you can just move it to the left, or you can just move it to the right, or you can also make the logo to the center and do something like this. Well, this is a standard way of doing, so I'll keep it like this for now. That means the logo to be in center. Many people just prefer the logo to be on the left side and the catalog to be on the center. You can just do it by just clicking on this navigation type button, and you can just do it yourself. So after you going down, it says enable logo links, which means that if you just click on the logo, it will take you to a different link if you want. So these are the logo images that they expect. So just select image button, and you will be taken to a page like this, which says that our library is empty, which means that you need to just insert images here. So I'm just clicking on this part, and I'm just gonna take it to here, and you can see that we have our logos which we created. So let's just place this here, and you can see that it's being uploaded. And let's just click on this select button here, and you can see that our logo, this one, is being selected. And you can also give some alternating texts, like let's say logo. So this alternating text means that whenever our logo is broken, or whenever our logo just has been not being shown somehow due to some internet issues, this logo will be kept placed. This is really important for people who are doing on-page SEOs. So just click on the save button, and also I would say you just give the same logo for mobile also, which means that whenever you're in a mobile device, if you just scroll down, you'll have this logo. So you can see that crop your logo image as close as possible for maximum size. So I'm just giving 200 pixels for this both desktop, and giving 100 pixels for this mobile. So you can go down, and you can see that there are different stages of theme settings and all. So here you see that you have your wish list, which is enabled. So wish list, you can just keep it, and you can just drop it if you want. This is your wish list. And you have your bubble animations, you can just drop down it, it's nothing important. And here it says that show count, so you can really just switch it off or click it on. It's up to your choice. And here is the height of these things, so you can just play around with according you want. And right now I don't want this mega menu. Well, mega menu is kind of listed drop down menus, so you really don't need this. And this is the language selector options. So, and this is basically the localization person of the header. So it says where should it be, so I have recommended it to be in the header part. And these are some custom currencies and all. So here is the currency part. So if you just go here, you can just choose your currency according to where wants. Suppose, for instance, some people may come from Canada, or some people may come from India, and they can buy your product. So you can just select the person who are just coming, they can just select their currency, and they can just buy their product from your website. So this is really important. And so you can just play around with these options. So I'm just saving this part, and now if you just scroll down, you can see that our logo changes. Whenever we scroll down, our just headline also changes, as well as our logo. Our headlines becomes white, and you can select it from here, and our logo changes also. So if you come down, you can see that all of our logo changes. So in this lesson we have changed our logo and these parts. So basically this one is coming like Udemy test because this one is transparent. As when we just remove this image part, you can see that your logo will come up here. So not to worry about that, I'll fix this and you will see it yourself. So I have already changed my header part. In the next lesson we'll move forward and we will do our rest of our website. So this is for this lesson.